He was in deep with the Inuki gang. Cops set up a sting. They got a hold of Frisbee. He was trapped.
That friggin' Frisbee's gonna get JP killed!
Yeah.
It's about time we wrapped up this transaction for today. Now that we're in third place, the odds are looking up, and at those odds, we'll make a nice fat profit, eh, Frisbee? Might as well pop his cork now.
Could we please wait until JP's in the lead? You promised me you'd give him that, remember?
Yeah, well, here's your check for services rendered, and I hope you'll notice it's for double the usual amount. We're running out of time here. I'm paying both you and JP enough money, so what difference does it make when you blow his car? Get it done, or give me the detonator and I'll do it myself!
I want to see him do it, just this once. He's so close. I want to watch him win for once in his life.
Sorry about this, Frisbee. Nothing personal, we're just doing our job. I don't want to hurt you, kid. Just give me the detonator.
You sons of bitches are gonna have to kill me first.
Suit yourself. You're dead.
Why are you here, old man?
I'm gonna hang on to this, okay?